Hello YouTube, today we're going to see how to fix could not refresh feed in Instagram application. To fix this, follow the steps. Close your Instagram application and then you have to go to Play Store, type Play Store and go into the Play Store. And now you have to go and search for Instagram Lite. Once you go here, just click on Instagram Lite and click on install. So once the download and installation is done, just now click on open and you can see this Instagram application is loading. So now you have to log into your account. So you can now see this Instagram application has been installed and respective features will be installed. This is the light version of Instagram, which has all the features like normal Instagram, like feeds, capture, reels, and everything. This application I'm using recently, I'm not facing any could not load feed problems. This is how you have to fix this error. Just tell me in the comment section below this solution worked for you. Give a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.